Karen from Teach.sped Repeat, and for today's video I'm going to be making a review of this pencil case. This pencil case is called the BTS KY High Capacity Zipper Pens Pencil Case, multifunctional stationary pencil pouch with 72 slots, and this one is obviously in the color pink. The link from where I bought it from, obviously it's from Amazon, will be in the description box, so you can check it out. So why do I have this pencil pouch? Well, as you know, I'm a teacher, and I also do some type of memory keeping. I have like a happy memory planner, so I do write on my memory planner at least several days a week. So I think I have what do you call a pen addiction, but I'm trying to curb that. So I figured that instead of putting it in just a pencil case and then not seeing what I have, to get it more organized so that I'll be able to use it, because let's face it, if you don't see it, you probably won't use it. So let me open this up. So this one does come with two zippers right here, and there's a handle. So let me open this up. Alright. So if you open this up, there it is. So in this part here, there's a zippered part, and I have some pens here. They're just the regular pen, so this one's just a regular pen. I have scissors, and this one is I don't know what pen that is, but I just put it there. It's blue, and there are, let me just close this up, there are some pouches here, so I just put two post-its, okay, just in case I need it. And then on this part here I have my friction pens, which I like to use. They're all in black. The slots here are pretty tight. I think they're really made for pencils, but because this one is fatter, I decided to just leave a space in between so that they're not so close to each other. And then you can open this, and again I have more pens here on this side. These are my pilot pens, and more pens on this side here. And these are my Papermate gel pens on this side. And these ones are my Pilot erasable pens. They're kind of like markers. So there it is. And again, because these markers are pretty large, I just left one slot empty so that there's room for them to stretch. And this one here, you can actually remove this. So just in case you need to take it out. So you can just pull it out. And same thing with this one too. You can actually pull this out too. So you can just take it with you. And of course this one here is empty. And then if you're done using it, you can always put it back. And this one too. So this one has Velcro, the other one has Velcro too, and you just put it in. Okay. And then close it, and just zip it up. And there's your handle. Now you're ready to go. So what do I like about this pencil pouch? I like the fact that it does have like a lot of room. Okay, of course my usual pens that I use, like for checking and all that, like ballpoint pens, I don't put it here because I don't really use ballpoint pens when I'm doing my memory planning, or you know, if I want to write something and I want to use my nice pens. And having a handle here at the end just makes it easier to carry around. It's not too big. There's still a lot of space that you can put these things in. And just looking at it, you know, being able to see the colors makes it just easier for me to pick a pen that I would like to use. So that's what I like about it. And this one was only $12.99 from Amazon. I know there are bigger pencil pouches compared to these, but I'm really trying to not buy way too many pens, honestly, because I want to be able to use them first, and then, you know, if I need more pens, then I can get more. But I think this one for now at home, I use this, so I carry this to the bedroom when I'm doing my writing in the bedroom. If I want to do it in the living room, like, I can just easily carry this with me, and yeah, it's just very handy. I know there are some bigger pencil pouches, and like I said, I don't want to have to buy more. So whatever I have, whatever's in here that would fit here, then I'd be happy to use it. I do have a separate pencil case which I carry back and forth to work, to home, and that's just in my backpack. This one just pretty much stays at home because I don't really want to be lugging this around everywhere. So I hope you guys learned something from this product review. If you're like me and you would like to be able to carry around your supplies, this is definitely something good. It's not just, this one comes not just in pink. There's purple, there's blue. I think it's more of a teal blue, or I'll just say blue. And then there's a black color, and it's just $12.99. There are bigger capacity pencil cases like 160, 168. I guess if you really have a lot more pens and you'd like to store them in one place, this is just very easy to organize. So right away, if I'm looking for a pen, I don't have to dig through my pencil case, and I can just open it up and look for what I want. And then if I'm done, I can just put it away. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you haven't, and talk to you soon. Bye!